Good morning students. Now today we are going to see a NEET 2020 chemistry question. This question is based on chapter 11, grade 11, elements and periodicity. The question is very simple. They have given the oxides and they have asked the nature. So always remember the group 1 oxides. The group 1 oxides are always a basic. Okay, so metal oxides are basic. Okay, this is the basic understanding. Non-metal oxides are acidic. Okay, so non-metal oxides are acidic, so you have to find which one is metal and which one is non-metal. So everyone knows this is what your barium. So barium oxide will be this is metal, so metal oxide will be basic, so B should go to the A. So B, the answer should be the 1. So this is option A, you can easily tick. Okay, so within 30 seconds you can solve this MCQ. Another case, you must know what is the meaning of basic oxide, neutral oxide, acidic oxide and amphoteric oxide. Now basic oxide will react with acid and they will form salt and water, whereas neutral oxide do not react with acid and base. Acidic oxide will react with base and form salt and water, whereas amphoteric oxide will react with both acid and base and they will form salt and water. So if you know neutral oxide, so neutral oxide is carbon monoxide. So if you see for A there is a CO, it's a 2. So if you see for A that's a 2, so this can be the option, so you can easily tick. Another case, if you know the aluminum oxide, so aluminum oxide is amphoteric. So this, if you know any oxide, you can easily take aluminum oxide, zinc oxide, lead oxides, they are amphoteric. So if you know if the metal is if the given oxide is metal, non-metal, then we can easily identify the respective oxide. Now this is very simple question, NEET 2020. Another question I am going to explain is a NEET 2022 question. It is also based on grade 11, chapter is equilibrium. Now what question they have given? The question is the pH of solution containing 50 ml of each 0.1 molar sodium acetate and 0.01 molar acetic acid is. Now here the question is very simple. It is based on a buffer. Now what is a buffer? Now buffer is the solution whose pH does not change. Okay, so we have two types of buffer. We have acidic buffer and we have a basic buffer. Now here they have given sodium acetate and acetic acid. Now what is the formula for sodium acetate? This is CH3COONA. This is sodium acetate, and acetic acid is CH3COOH. So this is what your weak acid and this is its a salt. Okay, so buffer is what? We have two types of buffer. Acidic buffer is what? In acidic buffer, a weak acid and salt of its conjugate base. Basic buffer, a weak base and it's a salt of conjugate acid. Okay, now here we have to use very simple formula. A pH is equal to pK plus log salt upon acid. Okay, so this is the simple formula. The pH value we have to find, so this is question mark. pK they have given in the question, the pK value of acetic acid they have given 4.57. log of what is salt? Sodium acetate is the salt. What is the concentration? 0.1 divided by what is the acid here? Acetic acid is the acid, its concentration is 0.001. If you do this calculation, 0.1 divided by 0.01, this will be 10 divided by 1, so this will be your 10. Now this is what? 4.57 plus log 10, the answer is 1. So 4.57 plus 1, so answer is 5.57. So your option is A. So these two questions are very simple. One is NEET 2022, one is NEET 2020 based on grade 11, one is periodicity and one is equilibrium. So very simple question. Within 1 minute both the questions you can easily solve. Thank you.